Are you tired of outdated kitchens, cramped living spaces, and hidden structural problems in older homes? Are you ready for a fresh start in the city that never sleeps? Then a new construction home in New York City might just be the solution you're looking for. But with high demand comes a complex buying process. In this video, we'll guide you through the exciting journey of buying a new construction home in the heart of the Big Apple. From modern amenities and designs to low maintenance costs and a clean slate, the benefits of living in a brand new home are hard to ignore. Yet, with a complex buying process and buying a new construction home in New York City, it can be incredibly overwhelming. But don't worry, we'll hold your hand every step of the way. Hit the subscribe button and let me be a part of your real estate journey. As a subscriber, you'll be the first to know when a new real estate video drops. The process of buying a new construction home is similar to buying a home that is being resold, with a few additional considerations. Let's dive right into it. Step 1. It's time to get pre-approved for a mortgage. This will give you an idea of what you can afford and help you make informed decisions during the buying process. It's also important to work with a real estate agent who is familiar with the New York City market, understands new construction homes, and can guide you through the process. I'd like to take a quick shout out to my team, Team Undivided. Let us help you buy a new construction home in New York City. We are a boutique real estate team that makes the process straightforward and stress-free. From start to finish, we'll be with you, helping you find the perfect property. To find out more about our services and start your home buying journey, visit our website. The link is found in the description below. Once you have your pre-approval and understand how much house you can afford, it's time to research and select a new construction project to your liking. In New York City, you'll find many reputable builders, also known as sponsors, offering a variety of homes and communities. It's important to compare their prices, floor plans, and locations, and you may also want to visit their model homes. This will give you an idea of what you're looking for and what you can expect. Many people don't know about the role of the sponsor when buying a new construction home in New York City. The sponsor, typically a developer or a real estate company, finances and builds the homes. So it's important to research the sponsor's reputation and track record before buying. The sponsor is responsible for delivering your home as promised, so it's crucial to choose a reliable and trustworthy one. One thing that many people are not aware of when it comes to buying a new construction home in New York City is the importance of hiring a real estate attorney. While a real estate agent can provide valuable support and guidance in the home buying process, a real estate attorney can help to protect your interests by reviewing contracts, negotiating terms, and ensuring that all necessary disclosures are made by the builder. You see, in this city, there can be many complexities in the construction process, such as building code regulations, zoning laws, and the involvement of multiple parties, such as the architect, contractors, and developers. Having an attorney on your side can help you ensure that the buying process is smooth and that you fully understand the terms of your purchase agreement. Next, you'll choose a home and floor plan that best fits your needs and budget. Once you made your choice, you'll sign a contract with the builder and make a down payment. This down payment amount will depend on the builder's requirements and the terms of your mortgage. But it's usually around 10% of the purchase price, but I've seen it as high as 15 or 20% in New York City. As a home is being built, you may have opportunities to walk through the construction site and make any necessary changes. You'll also want to keep track of the construction timeline and communicate with the builder regularly. The completion timeline may be another factor that many buyers are not aware of when buying a new construction home in New York City. While they might expect to move into their new home within a few months of signing the contract, the reality is that the construction process in New York City can take much longer. This is due to various factors such as complexity of building regulations, the need for multiple permits and inspections. There's also the possibility of unexpected construction delays. So, it's important for buyers to have a realistic understanding of the timeline for their new construction home, and to build plenty of buffer time for unexpected delays. Trust me, once the construction is complete, you'll finalize the sale by closing on the home. You will bring the balance of your down payment, and your bank will produce the remaining amount as a mortgage. After that, you'll receive the keys to your new home and you are ready to move in. And that, folks, is the inside scoop on buying a new construction home in the city that never sleeps. Just remember, when it comes to buying real estate in New York City, it's all about doing your research, being prepared, and being patient. So don't be afraid to ask questions and get a good real estate agent. Always keep your eyes and ears open. Trust us, your new construction home in the city will be worth every penny. Before you hit the road though, check out this fantastic video that will keep your home buying journey moving forward. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all of our latest tips and tricks for buying a home. We'll see you in the next video.